Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Hey friends, you've reached my voicemail. Well, if you're wondering what I've been up to, here's where I've been lately. I found... Hello, mic test, mic test. Good morning. Actually, time check, it's already 12:30. So, good morning and afternoon na to. We are here at Jewel Changi Airport. Specifically, nasa Din Tai Fung kami. So, ayan, we're about to eat our brunch kasi di naman kami nakapag-breakfast. After namin matid sila ate sa Terminal 4, kami naman ang babiyahe papuntang The Plaza kasi doon kami sasakay ng bus. So far yung booking process, smooth naman siya. We just needed a card to pay. Actually, pwede rin ata doon GrabPay and GCash kung yun ang mas convenient sa inyo. And we booked it through Redbus. Sa Redbus kami sa app. Later, ang departure time namin from The Plaza, which is the pickup point, will be 6 p.m. See you guys later. Kakain na kami. Just two. Yeah. We are now here at Changi Airport Terminal 4. Nag-take kami ng shuttle bus from Jewel. So para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, you can take a free shuttle bus. For example, flight nyo ay nasa Terminal 4, kagaya namin because we're flying Cebu Pacific. You can take the free shuttle from Jewel. Ang pick-up point niya will be sa level 2 na tatawid lang kayo ng pedestrian and then nandun na agad yung shuttle bus. Makikita naman, it's a big purple bus na may nakalagay na Terminal 4. Pagbaba nyo, depende kung saan kayo i-drop, but as for us, dinrop kami sa door 4. So pagpasok, you can do na your check-in if your check-in counter is open. And then tuloy-tuloy na. So it's easy as that. It's free. And then after namin dito mahatid sila Kendrick, papasok ng boarding, we'll be heading straight to our pickup point for our bus to Malaysia. So nag-download lang kami ng app. It's this app. This is the Redbus app. And then you just have to put your preferred pickup and drop off, which is for us it's Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, and then just choose your date of journey and then search for buses. Ito yung booking namin. We have a 6 p.m. trip to Kuala Lumpur. So we'll be boarding the Altabina Jaya Express. And ang pickup point niya will be The Plaza sa may Beach Road. And then ang drop-off naman namin sa Kuala Lumpur sa Virjaya Times Square. So pagbaba namin dun, probably we'll just take the Grab para makapunta sa hotel namin. I think yung nagastos namin, nakakuha kami ng discount sa Redbus because it's our first time booking. Parang nasa $5 to $10 ang na-discount namin. So, sa pera natin or sa Philippine peso, 200 to almost 500 pesos na discount. Depende yan sa exchange rate or sa rate upon purchase. Ang estimated time of arrival namin will be 11:51 p.m. same day. So, yeah, it's a 5-hour and 51 minutes na travel time. Paano naman kami pupunta? Airport papunta sa The Plaza. So, I'm using Citymapper helps you to take the best route dun sa pupuntahan mo. So, you just have to put your start point and end point. Ayan, may lalabas na ganito. So, nakalagay dito, we have to walk to the Terminal 4 Arrival Bus Lounge. But since we are in the departure area, let's see kung paano kami mapupunta doon. From Changi Airport na station, bababa kami ng Tanamera para makapag-lipat kami ng another platform. So, the another platform will be riding naman a train, east-west train, that's the green line going to Tuas Link. So, bababa kami ng Bugis and then we'll walk from there. It's probably a 9-minute walk to The Plaza. We'll head on over to the bus station. I'll see you later. Good afternoon. Time check. It's already 5:31 in the afternoon. And we're here at Altabina Jaya Express. This is the bus company that we were able to book our bus to Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. We left Changi Airport at around 4 p.m. The bus will be coming at 5:55, so we're just in time. Parang nag-check-in din kami kasi we had to present our reservation for the seat and then binigyan kami ng ticket. So, after we were able to get our ticket, sinabihan lang kami na maghintay dito. Food and drinks, I think, are allowed, pero just small snacks lang. Meron silang allocated station for the bags. So, pagbaba namin doon, we're just gonna take the Grab. Time check, it's already 6:13 in the evening. It's a double-decker bus. And ang galing kasi 2x1 lang siya compared dun sa taas na 2x2. So, medyo maliliit yung seats. Mas maliit yung space and mas madami sa taas. Unlike dito sa baba, it's more spacious. Pwede mong i-recline yung seats fully. So, maganda. Dumaan kami sa loob ng hotel. I think it was Park Royal Suites. Doon kami dumaan papunta sa likod. Nandun yung Altabina Jaya Express na office. Bas mo sa back door, left side, nandun mo makikita yung Altabina. And then, pag bumaba ka dun sa stairs, sa labas ng office nila on the left side, dun mo naman makikita yung bus. So, one at a time lang yung bus na nakapark doon. So, make sure you arrive on time kasi they really follow their schedule. Siguro na late lang tong bus namin for about 5 minutes. Pero once na nalagay na lahat ng gamit and nag-head count na sila dun sa mga taong nag-check-in, automatically umaalis na agad. According dun sa natanong ko kanina na tao, according dun sa natanong ko kaninang nag-a-assist going inside the bus, 1 hour or 45 minutes papunta sa Singapore immigration. So, kailangan namin bumaba doon but we have to bring only our passport. So, pwede pa namin i-keep yung mga luggages namin dito sa loob ng bus. But after 5 minutes, we have to go down para naman sa Malaysia immigration. And then, that's the time that we have to bring our luggages kasi magta-transfer na kami ng bus. Yun yung 5 hours ata na kailangan namin i-travel going to Kuala Lumpur City Center. Things to take note, if you'll be choosing the plaza as your pickup point, it's kind of a long walk. So, nag-rely lang again kami, City Mapper, on how to go to the pickup point. So, if you're like us, you're coming from Jewel Changi Airport and you're planning to take the 6 p.m. departure time, it's safe to say na dapat nakaalis na kayo ng Jewel ng 4 p.m. if you'll also be taking the MRT. So, para safe lang and marami pa kayong time to prepare. And I'm sorry if I'm whispering kasi I don't want to disturb the other people na nasa bus because some of them are taking this time to rest na since it's gonna be a 1 hour drive to the Singapore immigration. We just have to take a rest. Yeah, that's it. See you later. Good morning! I know, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kagabi. Sobrang pagod na namin. But, surprise! We're in Malaysia. So, first order of business, we are going to withdraw. We are using CIMB and GCash card. So, English, withdrawal, savings, 150. Skip conversion. From... Hi everybody. So, nakapag-withdraw na kami. As you may have seen on the last clip. And now, wala pa ako sa mood na mag-Malaysian food. So, this is where I'll be eating. san curry, a Japanese signature curry. Pero hindi naman curry yung in-order ko. I ordered a bento box. So for the price of around 270, I'd say 300 with drinks. Ang nabili ko, I think 4 pieces yun ng gyoza. May karage, tapos chicken cutlet. And then meron din siyang salad, meron din siyang fruits, rice, and side dish. So yeah, full set meal for the price of 300. I'm just waiting for my order. Sabi nila 3 minutes lang. So, sila Jake naman and si Tita sa, sila, Kampong Craven. Nasi Lemak. So, dun sila bumili. Magma-Malaysian. Malaysian ba ang nasi Lemak? Comment down below. So, yeah, dun sila kakain. So, what's the agenda for today? Si Jake ang nag-ayos ng itinerary natin for Malaysia. Let's see kung saan kami mapupunta today. I'll be waiting for my food. We have watermelon, chicken cutlet, salad, side dish, I don't know kung ano to. Rice, gyoza, and chicken karage. Makakakain kami ng marami today. And sila, chicken, ayam goreng, rice, tapos parang sambal ata yun. Egg. Ay, may soup pa pala, sorry. Nakita niyo naman siguro. Ano kung lasa ng soup? Tabang? Yung chicken karage ka, gusto mo? Pagkang gyoza. Masarap daw yung kanila.
Sarap din.
Masarap din itong strawberry. Tama na na. Hi everyone! We are now in Batcha Coffee and we're just having our afternoon coffee and croissants. I'll show you what we ordered. So I ordered hot chocolate and pistachio croissant and share kami ni Tita. And then si Jake naman, he ordered I Love Paris coffee.
I love Paris.
Hindi na nakapag-taste test. Pero ang sarap ng nila, ng hot chocolate. Tapos they give you extra cream. Try natin yung croissant. So later, time check pala, it's already 1:06 in the afternoon. Sobrang init sa labas. Kaya we decided na lang muna to stay indoors para hindi kami mabilad sa araw. Cheers! Actually, dapat hindi siya hinihiwa ng Cheers.
Yung pag-enter niya sa bunganga ko matanda.
Ako naman ang recommendation ko, pair it with coffee talaga or
Ay, yung gatong food kasi bagay sa coffee ko. Balance.
pair it with coffee or hot chocolate. Why? Kasi nababalance niya.
So bagay ito sa mga vodka.
Tito, straight with honey. It's better with the honey. Harap, mas masarap pag may honey. Alam mo yung mga bagay na dapat nasa vlog, yun yung mga hindi ko nalalagay. So ngayon, sabihin mo ulit yung sinabi mo.
Tignan mo. Ayun
Oh.
Mukha na siyang matanda. Matured.
So ang pinag-uusapan namin ngayon ay
Ako naman mag-mature.
manikin. Paglingon niya kasi, may nakita siyang manikin.
Ilapit mo pa.
Kasi parang matandang nilagay sa katawan ng bata. Ano ba yun? Tita, may tinuturo si Jake. Parang matanda na daw itsura pero nilagay sa katawan ng bata. Nag-agree din si Tita. We're going na to Ansa Hotel. Hindi para mag-check-in, but to check a shop that offers what we're looking for. So, what is it? You'll see it on the next clip.
parent company.
The parent company. Hindi kami nakabilis sa the parent company, but dito sa entrance, meron kami nakitang perfume hub. Super nice ni ate. We were able to purchase 2 perfume. Ayan, 2 perfume. SAM, Sam. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you too. So, we are here at KL Tower. We are supposed to go up. But, we decided na wait it out, na wag munang umakyat and mag-ikot na lang muna dito around the tower since may mga souvenir shop sila. The ticket, pag hindi ka morning pupunta, it's around 1,300 on-site, like pag dito ka bumili. But if saklok ka, it's around 1,012. But since meron kaming discount na nakuha, it's gonna be 800 each person. It's raining. Umuulan siya, so worried lang kami na baka pag umakyat kami, we would see nothing but fog. Nag-decide kami na mag-ikot na lang muna dito since may mga souvenir shop sa gilid. And let's see kung may mabibili kami. Hi guys! From KL Tower, we took the free shuttle papunta dun sa main entrance nila. Now, naglalakad kami from the main entrance to the Petronas Tower. Malapit na kami. The walk was around 20 minutes. Since kanina pa naman kami to-take ng Grab, we decided to walk. So, sorry kung naririnig niyo yung fan ko dahil sobrang init maglakad. Hello! We are now eating. We're here sa Wanjo. We've heard of this from TikTok and the vloggers na pinapanood namin. So we're having nasi lemak. Hindi lang ako nagpalagay ng sambal and yung mga beef rendang and stuff. So hindi ako mahilig sa mga spleen or lungs. Ngayon kasi yung content ng ibang nilalagay na which I don't like. So di ko alam kung full experience ba tong pagkain ko ng nasi lemak, pero sarap naman siya. So ang price nito ay 10.80, mga sa 100. Masarap na siya. Hi everyone! Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. And then, si Jake, it so happened na may na-search siya na way para mas madali makabalik ng Petronas Tower from Wanjo. Which, by the way, pwede kayong pumunta doon para air-condition yung pagkain nyo ng nasi lemak. Since napakainit, you just have to buy drinks from them. So, pinasok na lang namin doon yung nasi lemak na nabili namin. And from them, nalaman namin na meron palang bridge na pwede kayong daanan para makabalik kayo ng Petronas Tower ng mas mabilis. And that is, this is the bridge. I think tawag sa kanya is Saloma Bridge. It's very beautiful inside. So, ayan. This is also an aesthetic place for you guys to take pictures. Actually, marami ditong nag-offer ng photo. Medyo mag-ingat na kayo because I've also read threads na yung mga nag-offer dito, they offer 5 ringgit to take photos of you. But pagka titignan mo na yung pictures, it's 5 ringgit for each photo. So, ayun, mag-ingat lang kayo. I suggest you just buy your own tripod. And then, pagkalagpas nyo ng bridge, you will have a great view of the Petronas Tower. The best view, pwede nyo siya makita sa public bank. May pangalan niya, parang letter M na public bank. And then, yeah, you can take photos from there. We're just going back to Petronas Tower to take some good photos. Tomorrow, it's gonna be a Bato Cave day. And also, let's try to check out Christy Ang. Tingnan natin kung makakahanap kami. Someone na hindi physically active, it's really tiring. Meron ako nakasalubong na tourist din na umakyat dito. Actually, pababa na siya. Then, tinanong ko siya kung may monkeys dito. Since meron kaming dalang konting snacks, parang I was able to watch sa isa sa mga vlogs na hindi pwede magdala ng snacks kasi nga may monkeys. Good morning. After 272 steps, this is me with my portable fan. This view of the Bato Cave. So meron pang second flight of stairs. Doon daw yung may monkeys. Pero for this main area, after the first steps, wala naman daw monkey dito. I just wish we had a guide to explain to us kung bakit may parang mga shrine dito sa loob. Also, kung bakit yung mga kasabay namin paakyat, they are on their knees. So, umaakyat sila ng stairs na nakaluhod and they're holding I wanna say parang it looks like an urn. So, we decided to climb up the second flight of stairs. Maybe mas maintindihan namin siya pag umakyat kami doon. Itong second flight of stairs, mas mababa yata siya compared to the first one. Or so I thought. Ay, ayun na, may unang unggoy na nakita ko dito. It's a baby unggoy. Ayun siya, oh my God. At kumuha siya ng orange at kinain niya. Ay, tumakbo. Medyo nakakatakot pala sila. Ay, tumakbo siya. What can you say so far?
Hinihintay ko pa yung... Pwede makakit muna tayo.
So, aakyat muna kami. I'll check back with you guys after the steps. Bye! Here we are. And this is what we got. Actually, may mga unggoy naman na talaga. Dito. Ay, dito. May mga unggoy naman na talaga. Pero, okay. The more I look, the more I see them. Akala ko we are too early. So, time check, it's 8:30. Actually, nung nasa Grab ride kami kanina, we were told na parang medyo maaga kami for Bato Cave. But, sabi namin, because it's a Saturday, we decided to go early kasi we're worried na baka mamaya sobrang dami ng tourists and we won't get to enjoy it. So, punta kami na maaga. When we got to the first step, sabi namin parang wala namang unggoy. Although hindi naman lang unggoy yung pinunta namin dito, but ang cute kasi nila. Going dito sa second steps, ayan, makikita mo na sila tumatakbo. Pero yeah, you see them. Once you look, mas madami sila than I expected kasi ang dami nila, oh. Parang pumupunta sila sa isang lugar. All baby monkeys. I don't know kung nasan yung mga malalaking monkeys at parang ayoko silang hanapin kasi takot. Nagpapakain siya ng unggoy. Ang tapang niya, oh. Ayun, oh. Ang dami nila. Sayang lang kasi we don't know the history or the story behind the cave. Siguro magsa-search na lang ako. Tapos ilagay ko dyan somewhere on the screen. Para at least, once umakit kayo dito, you'll be more informed. Yung isa dito. Ayun na siya. Ay, nanguha siya.
Ano kinuha?
Yung plastic, tinakbo. Buti na lang guys, wala na akong bag. Kasi si tita, naiwan sa baba. So, nung umakit kami dito, buti wala kang dala.
May dala. Ang cute, may dala niya baby niya. Ayun, nakakapit sa kanya.
Ay, oo nga, nakalakap sa kanya. Ayun siya. Guys, ang dami nila and nag-aaway sila sa food. So, masasuggest ko, huwag kayong magdala ng pagkain kung ayaw niyong dumugin kayo ng mga unggoy. Kasi si ate, tignan mo, kinuha yung burger niya. May burger kasi kasi dito, may burger ka. Huwag kang magdala ng burger. Yeah, that's it for our Bato Cave. Bye! We are now in Petronas Tower. We're having, nagko-coffee siya. Ako naman, I'm having a fizzy drink. Since di ako nagko-coffee.
Nakasama ko.
Ito yung Inom namin. And we have a view of the Petronas Tower. Wala, may crow sa likod ko.
Ay, ganyan pala yung
Ang ganda.
Katakot.
Takot ka lang talaga kayo.
Takot lahat. Ay, ito. Gusto picture lang kita ba? Ay!
Hi guys. So, we're currently here again sa food court. We were able to visit everything naman na gusto naming puntahan except one. Pupunta kami ng Christy Ang. And after nun, diretso na kami ng hotel, pick up our bags and luggages and then head straight to airport. Because from Kuala Lumpur, where we are, travel time to the airport is about 2 hours. I think, yeah, yun lang naman na yung gagawin namin. And di ko alam kung paano ko edit tong Malaysia vlog kasi talagang snippets lang yung mapapakita ko. Hopefully, I'll be able to edit this properly. This trip has been so amazing. Great trip kasi I was able to spend time with them and marami kaming nagawa. Nakapag Singapore and Malaysia kami. Hi guys! We are now here at Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 2 and we are at the boarding gate waiting for our boarding time. Di ko na alam kung ano yung last na clip na napanood nyo from us. We're traveling back to Manila. Saan ba ko huling nakapag-vlog? After namin mag-food court, we went to My Town. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa My Town because it was just a quick trip to that mall to find Christy Ang bag.
Nakabili ka ba?
Yes, I was able to buy a bag. And thankfully, bumili ako ng bag kasi hindi lahat kasya yung mga items na for hand carry ko dun sa gamit kong bag na going here. And gladly, I was able to find the one that I really wanted. I went for a much bigger bag kasi kung kilala niyo ako, all of my bags are small. As in small talaga. Yung mapapaisip ka, ano kayang laman ng bag niya? If you guys are familiar with tennis bag, ganun yung kinuha ko. After I bought my bag, nag-travel na rin kami pabalik ng hotel and then started our travel from our hotel to Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 2. So it was a long drive. I think it was 1 hour. It's 1 hour and a half. Once we got here, and kumain lang kami and then visited duty free. May nabili, di ko alam. Hulaan nyo. We got it for a discounted price kasi Valentine's Day today. By the way, February 14 today. And it's currently 10:41 in the evening. Our boarding time will be around 12, I think. This is also where I'll be ending my vlog. Di ko na hintayin makapag-land kami because basically, pag-land namin nun sa Manila, I'll just go home and I'm gonna get some rest. So, I'll be ending my Singapore, Malaysia vlog here. Thank you so much for joining us. And I hope nandyan pa rin kayo on my future travel vlogs. Di ko alam kung saan ang next country namin. We might be planning for a new trip this year. So, let's see. Diba? This is where I'll be ending my Singapore, Malaysia vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel if you like this video. And leave me some comments for me to improve more on my vlog. Or if you wanna see more contents coming from me, pwede kayo mag-comment dyan. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!